Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in iOS Launcher. Now install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Then you need to choose while using the app or only this time, Allow, Allow again, and click Home button. Over here, select iOS Launcher by tapping on it, click on Always, choose Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. You can always switch between your launchers by going into Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications, tapping on Advanced and clicking on Default Apps. Over here, select Home app, and if you wish to switch to Android one, click on Moto app. And in order to go back into Apple one, tap on iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!